Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video tutorial, we will write a program using C++ programming language to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. So let's get started. In our Div C++ IDE, we will start writing the comment of our program. Double slash comment in C++, perimeter, the title of our file name, and then the extension CPP. Next, we will have my name, the author of this program, Jake Rodriguez, my middle name Pomperada. Let's say, for example, date. Today is October 5, 2019. I recorded this video 5:49 a.m. Saturday. Well, my email, if you would like to contact me, jakerpomperada at gmail.com. My location, website, website. My website is jakerpomperada.com, and then my location. Currently, I'm residing in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Okay, so after we have done with the writing of the comment, a comment is very important in a program because it will give some idea for what is the content of that particular program. Most of the time when you are writing a program, you are not only the one who use your code, but other programmers, so it will give them hint or idea how your program works. So sharp include, let's say we will declare already the library file iostream, and then next line using namespace std int main. The int main is a function. Actually, the starting point of our program execution. So we will have to declare int length with a series of variables and perimeter. Now, most of the time I always initialize my variables to zero. Why? Because if we don't initialize the variable to zero, sometimes when we run our program, if it will perform a series of computation, it will give us a very erroneous result. So here we will have a new line, double new line, escape sequence in C++ programming, and then console out. We will have the title, perimeter of the rectangle solver. This is the title of our program. Console out, new line. So next, for input output, give length of the rectangle. It will ask the length of our rectangle in this portion of our program. Console in we will use here the variable that we have declared on the top, this portion, length. And then next we will simply copy that line, and then we will change, no, instead of the word length we will have width of the rectangle. So we have here width, and then we will perform a computation perimeter assignment operator. So the formula is a perimeter equals to asterisk length multiply with, follow with a semicolon. Now here we will copy this portion, and we have the result. Display the result. Perimeter of the rectangle is, we will call here perimeter assignment operator, and then after we have done, new line here, single new line, horizontal tab, end of program, followed with a semicolon. Okay, I think we are already through with the code, no? But we have to test. Okay, to summarize, this is the comment section of our program, and then we have here the library file for input output in C++, int main, starting point of our program execution, and then we have here three variables, int, length, width, and perimeter, and then we have here the title of our program, and then this is for input output. Our program is asking for the length of the rectangle from the user, and then the width of the rectangle from the user, and then we have here the computation. Assignment operator perimeter equals to multiply by length multiply by width. Then we have also here the output, the perimeter of the rectangle is, it will display the result, and then end of the program that tells the user that the program is already terminated. So let us save our work, Control S, right click, we will create a new folder here. Let's say for example rectangle, double click rectangle.cpp. This is the file name, this is the extension. Click the save button, and then we will compile to check if there are some syntax error in our program. Okay, we don't have, so let us check, no? When we run the program, okay, the problem is the problem is the formatting. Okay, so we have to adjust. Okay, let us save, compile and run. Let's say for example 10, the length of the rectangle is 10 and the width is 2, so the perimeter of the rectangle is 40. End of the program. So as we can see now, there are some formatting issue, the spacing. So what we can do now is to add a new line, and then here space. Okay, so Control S, and then we will compile and run again. So okay, we can have 20 and 3. So give the length of the rectangle 20, If the width of the rectangle is 3, the perimeter of the rectangle is 120. End of the program. So here we got it. We have already a program to compute the perimeter of the rectangle using C++. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials, and leave a comment in the comment section of our video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Until next time guys, bye bye for now.